SAP's ERP history spans over 50 years and just a handful of major generations. Each generation brought technological shifts. Mainframe-based R2 gave way to client-server R3, which evolved into SAP ECC running complex business suites. The latest generation, SAP S/4HANA, represents a leap into in-memory computing and modern user experience. Initially available as a traditional on-premise deployment, S/4HANA has steadily expanded into cloud offerings. Today, SAP offers S/4HANA in multiple forms, from on-premises editions to cloud editions, ranging from highly customizable to highly standardized. On this spectrum, SAP S/4HANA Cloud Public Edition sits on the side of simplicity and standardization. It is SAP's true SaaS ERP offering, often positioned as the entry point for a cloud-first ERP strategy. Why is SAP pushing cloud so strongly? A few converging factors explain this direction. First is market demand for agility. Businesses today demand faster innovation and agility. Traditional on-prem ERP systems with infrequent upgrades and heavy customizations struggle to keep up. Cloud-based solutions allow companies to take advantage of cutting-edge technologies like embedded analytics and AI much sooner without waiting for long upgrade cycles. In fact, SAP has invested heavily in cloud development and is advocating that customers move in this direction to leverage these innovations. Next is SAP's cloud-first development focus. SAP has made it clear that its primary development efforts are now in the cloud versions of S/4HANA. New features, enhancements, and industry innovations are being released in S/4HANA Cloud first, with the on-premise S/4HANA getting far fewer new features going forward. Notably, SAP has shifted its focus to S/4HANA Cloud, meaning no further innovations for the on-premise edition. In other words, while SAP S/4HANA on-premise will be supported for years, SAP guarantees mainstream support until 2040. It is not the vehicle SAP plans to drive into the future. The public cloud edition is. And then the business model and cost advantage. The cloud model aligns with a subscription OpEx business model, which many companies find attractive compared to heavy upfront license and infrastructure investments, capital expenditures. For SAP, the cloud model also means a more predictable revenue stream and closer engagement with customers through continuous delivery of updates. For customers, it promises a lower total cost of ownership in many cases, since SAP handles the infrastructure and operations at scale. We'll discuss cost and TCO in more detail later, but SAP S/4HANA Public Cloud is marketed as a cost-effective solution due to economies of scale and no need for customers to maintain data centers or extensive IT teams for the ERP system. All these factors position SAP S/4HANA Cloud Public Edition as a central pillar of SAP's vision for the future of ERP. In fact, SAP and its partners often describe the Public Cloud Edition as the future-ready ERP that will carry businesses forward. SAP is continuously investing in this multi-tenant SaaS version to make it more robust, functionally rich, and scalable, to the point that some experts argue it is becoming superior to traditional on-prem and even private cloud versions. For example, few SAP partners noted that Public Edition is their North Star, given SAP's significant development investment and the rapid improvements making it increasingly powerful.